Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas, uncancelled, question mark, Halbert, back at it again with yet another video. Today's video, we're doing something completely different from my channel. We are going to be getting unready today. As you can see, I'm in my risque robe. You never know what might slip out, you know what I mean? Instead of doing a get ready with me, which I do all the time on my channel, well, not all the time. Let's not be dramatic. I've done a lot of get ready with me's on my channel, and I thought it'd be really fun to do a get unready with me. Talk about some new skincare that I've been loving, and update you guys on like what's been going on with my life. I feel like I haven't really talked to you guys since everything popped off in October and November and stuff like that. And you know, I definitely still want to talk about a few things and like update you guys on my life and like where I've been and like some bullshit that's happened and some like fun stuff that's happening and really cool things that I'm working on my channel, and just like what's going on this channel and like what's changing, because I know a lot of you guys have seen a lot of change on this channel. So we're gonna get into a lot of things, but before we do that, today's video is sponsored by BioClarity, and I'm going to be featuring a lot of BioClarity skincare products in this video. Basically, BioClarity is a paraben-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free. It's basically free of everything. It's cruelty-free. It's naturally derived. Really good skincare. They have their own patent recipes and ingredients and stuff like that I'm going to be talking to you guys about as well. And I'll have all the links to all these products I'm talking about in the description box down below, so you have easy access. I've been trying out these products for a little over a month now. You guys have been complimenting on my skin recently, so I'm just like, just saying, this is the only thing I've been implementing into my skincare routine. So without further ado, let's get right on into this get unready with me. I'm in a robe. I've never filmed in a robe before, and I feel like that's so interesting. So I'm just gonna be a little bit dramatic and definitely, I'm just gonna be a little bit dramatic for the thumbnail. You know, I just need a good thumbnail, you know what I mean? Very glam of me right now. I haven't done a glam look like this in a minute. Bitch, I haven't worn lashes since fucking last year. Okay, so take off these mink and ooh. What do I need to update you guys on? Everything, honestly. Oh, shit. Okay. The first thing I want to talk about is like the positives on my channel. A big thing is happening this Sunday. It's Friday today, the day that I'm uploading this. And I have been doing a lot of rebranding and revamping to my channel. And the final stage comes into fruition on Sunday. A big thing is coming on Sunday. There's going to be a huge premiere on my channel, and I want you guys to be there. I really want you guys to support it because I've worked so hard. It has been, I can't open my eyes because they're going to burn. It's been like 3 months of planning this, and I have put my whole heart and soul into the stuff that I'm doing for my channel. And I mean, I bought these expensive lights. I really wish I could open my eyes, but I can't. I have bought super expensive lights. I have a videographer, an editor now. I have a whole team of people that are helping me now. Like, not a whole team, but like a lot of people. Like, there's a lot of people that ride on me being successful, ride on me. Like, that's why the stress has really been on for me, because I've never had this many people like really need me to do well. And I need me to do well too, sis. Trust me, I need me to do well. But I've never really had people that's just like, Thomas, we need you to do well because we eat because you're doing well. And it freaks me out. But I'm doing all this to like really upgrade my channel because I know it's what you guys deserve. It's what I deserve. I've worked so fucking hard. I have dedicated my life to YouTube for the past 2 years, and I've never dedicated so much time and effort and money into something before, and now it's just time to really upgrade that. I really wish, like, it's the fact that I can't open my eyes. Also, my face might be really white because my spray tan always comes off on my face when I do my intensive skincare. But I've never worked so hard on something in my life, and it's so scary because I'm so scared of being a failure. But please, 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 this Sunday, something really big is coming to my channel, and I really hope you guys are receptive to it. Okay, so to cleanse my face, I'm gonna go into the BioClarity Keeping It Clean Cleanser. This stuff is honestly so freaking good. So it has cucumber, green tea, and chamomile. Chamomile really relaxes the skin. It's very anti-inflammatory. Green tea is also very anti-inflammatory. So is cucumber. They're all calming, anti-inflammatory, and they really help the skin to it just soothes the skin, it cleanses the skin, it's all natural. It's detoxifying, it's calming, it's anti-inflammatory. you know, especially like a hard day wearing makeup, you definitely want an anti-inflammatory thing. So I really love this cleanser. I've been trying it out. This is my third one of this one. This stuff is so freaking good. It has like a jelly consistency, like just like a creamy, not a creamy, what is it? Like a jelly like consistency, as you can see like right here. Very nourishing. Honestly, it's not drying and stripping at all. You guys know how serious I am. If you watch my best products of 2018, you guys know how I am about like stripping cleansers. I do not like them at all. I do the 60-second rule with this cleanser. A dermatologist, I forgot her name, but she's been really popping off lately. I do like the 60-second rule with cleansing the face. So I cleanse my, like I do these motions with my face. I wash my face like this for 60 seconds and it really does like clean the face. And I never swipe down. I always do circular motions upwards and I always go up because, girl, I'm a whitey. Okay? We age very fast in this house. And I want my face to go upwards, you know what I mean? Not downwards. It's packed full of amazing ingredients for your skin and it's not harsh at all. So now that I've done, oh my god, if you could feel my skin, it feels so smooth and so clear. That's kind of where I've been, like why I haven't been posting as much on YouTube, because I've been so busy working on this new stuff and like caring so harshly about this new stuff that I haven't cared about how I've normally done things on my channel. That's why I've been posting like once or twice every other week and like not really being gung-ho on my channel. And also like this whole drama and this whole scandal and whatever has been like, still like been draining on me, and like I haven't really fully recovered mentally from it, and I'm still a little bit depressed from the whole situation. And like, you know, I've obviously like learned a very valuable lesson out of that, which is like, you know, don't be a fucking shitty person. I don't know, it's been hard. It's been very hard kind of rebuild my sanity after that, because the fucking hate that I've gotten. I know I'm not that person I was 6-8 whatever months ago, you know, and I feel like I've changed and I feel like I've grown as a person, but obviously I haven't necessarily been implementing that kind of change and growth in my channel because I haven't been fucking posting. And you know, I have my moments, because it definitely gets hard being told who I am and how I am all the fucking time. And like, you know, it put me in a very bad situation, like with my, you know, eating disorder and stuff like that. Like it really put me in a bad place. And like even recently being, you know, falsely accused of faking my eating disorder and like using that as an excuse to like get sympathy points after this drama, when I've been talking about my eating disorder for months. And like my ex-boyfriend like kind of retweeting harsh fucking things said about me. It really put me in a dark place this month. And like, I don't think I've ever cried as much as I don't think I've ever cried this much. So next I'm going to go into Restore, which it's a morning or night or both kind of serum. And this has their special ingredient in it, which is Floralux. So it's a chlorophyll. Floralux is a chlorophyll that's nutrient rich that help. It reduces redness a lot. So if you have like rosacea, all that kind of stuff, like where you have really bad redness in your skin, it's going to reduce that. Kind of even skin tone, even the skin tone on your face. I mean, where else are you going to be putting it? This also has witch hazel in it, which is actually really good if you have acne prone skin. Witch hazel is so good for you if you have acne prone skin. I swear by witch hazel. I feel like it really does help with my breakout. It is green, but it doesn't turn your skin green. Trust me, it does not turn your skin green. Oh my god, it feels so good. I feel like I look crazy with my hair kind of down like this, but I also feel like I'm crazy if I have my hair pulled back like that. Oh, I look like that bitch from Rugrats that always wore a damn headband. That's what I look like. So this is definitely one of my favorite kind of serums to do after toner. Or you always do your serums and stuff that you really want to sink into your skin after toner. And you always want to do like heavy, like lightest to heaviest products. So your lightest products to your heaviest products. So I'm going to do this Zen Ultra Calming Serum as well. It has the same kind of Floralux and licorice root kind of moment. It does basically the same thing, but this is kind of like in a dropper form. But this one is used for decoloration and pore. So it's going to help retexture your skin. These two together are like they're basically like brother and sister in my head. They work hand in hand together. They work really well together because they kind of have the similar ingredients, but this one helps with pores, texture of the skin. This one helps with redness and stuff like that. This also helps with discoloration. So they kind of go hand in hand. And I really love these products as well. Yeah, like, you know, dealing with my eating disorder and stuff like that has still been like, you know, it's definitely been like an everyday struggle. There's still been so much drama surrounding my name. I feel like nowadays I can't even say or do anything, and it does drive me a little bit crazy. I know that's like, I basically reaped what I sow, and that's the kind of life that I paid for myself. But, you know, I'm trying to do different things. 2019 is definitely the year for me where I fix myself and fix like all my wrongdoings and like work really fucking hard and like prove myself this year. Like, not just to people, but prove myself to myself. Like, I can do this. I'm not this fuck up that I keep telling myself that I am. I'm not a loser. I'm not untalented. I'm a hard worker. I can get shit done. I'm eating healthier. Like, you know, I'm taking care of my body. Like, I'm doing all the things that I need to be doing to, you know, I want my body to match how I feel on the inside. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not scared anymore. And I used to be so effing scared about my future. And I'm just like, you know what? I am in control of my future. By the way, before I finish up my skincare routine, BioClarity does have other products for other skin types. So if you have normal to dry skin, if you have oily to dry skin, if you have acne prone skin, all that stuff, they also have kind of like little sets like this for you as well. So they have the clear skin routine for acne / oily prone skin. And then they have the essentials routine for like normal and dry. So this is like the essentials that I have right now. BioClarity also makes sure that all their products are like good for all skin types. So if you want to dabble into the acne prone side, if you want to dabble into the dry skin side, it's still going to be good for your skin. It's not going to mess with you or irritate your skin in any capacity. So don't worry about that. Their products are very good for all skin types. So to hydrate my skin, I'm going to go into the Hydrate Skin Smoothie. Oh, let me tell you something, guys. I just can't. Oh, it just feels so good on the skin. So this has their special ingredient Flora Lux. So it's going to do the same thing as all these other products are going to do, which is reduce redness, help with discoloration, full of vitamins and nutrients. So again, it's really going to hydrate, really smooth the skin. So good. It has like a cooling effect that is just so... That's so relaxing. Super lightweight. It's really good under makeup too. Like, it's really pretty under makeup. I like wearing this under makeup. So it's definitely a perfect base, and it's really nice on the skin as well. This is one of my favorite moisturizers to use. Sometimes I like to double moisturize. It just depends. But this is definitely one of my favorite moisturizers to use. This is my second one of this moisturizer. I feel like the moisturizer is going to change your life if you have dry skin. It definitely changed mine. Like, it's just my skin feels so supple. I love it so much. So on top of all that's been changing and all that drama, life has been good. I mean, I have employees now, which is weird, and I was kind of iffy on like sharing that on social media that I have employees now, because like I don't know if it's technically employees or if it's like, I don't know, like it's just people that help me kind of get this shit done. And like, you know, if I want to be posting the way that I want to post, if I want to be doing the things that I want to be doing this year, like I need people helping me constantly. So like I have editors, videographers, people that help me on my day-to-day. Like, it's been magical, honestly. Like, you know, I have a new graphics artist that's going to help with graphics that should be implemented next week. Like, I have, hopefully, fingers crossed, it's going to be implemented next week. Like, I'm changing everything on my channel. It's absolutely insane, and like it's definitely like a little bit scary for me to be doing all this, because I don't know, I've just never worked this hard, put this much money into my effing career before, and that's just where I've been. Like, I can't stress that enough. Like, all these past few months has been very good for me, that I've been kind of taking a step back from YouTube and like really focusing on myself and my mental health and stuff like that, because it's really prepared me for this year and what I'm going to be doing this year, which is really taking my career and stuff like this seriously, whether this works out or not, because I mean, I am canceled. I mean, I did have that whole situation that happened in October, and like it took a big hit on me and a big toll on me, and like I've lost a lot of credibility and a lot of respect in the community. Like, people don't like me anymore. And not that I give a fuck, let's be real, I don't care, but it does still suck that I'm so kind of looked at like, you know. And that's what I did to myself. I did that to myself. Let's be real. I mean, I did that to myself, but it definitely does suck. And I'm hoping to kind of prove people wrong this year. Like, that's my goal. I'm proving people wrong. Like, what a deep get unready with me. I feel like this is so relaxing. I feel like some of you are gonna be watching this at night, kind of getting cozy in a bed. I feel like this is a relatively quick video too. So I'm just gonna put on my nighttime mask. This is where I'm about to look crazy. These are the skincare products that I've been absolutely obsessed with. Again, you can pick kind of like what skincare routine that you want, just pertaining to your skin. They're vegan, they're cruelty-free, paraben-free. They don't have any of that yucky, nasty stuff that you don't want in skincare. So BioClarity is amazing for that. And they say that their stuff is clinically proven to show results in 2 weeks. I agree with that. Like, I've had amazing results. You guys have seen how great my skin has been over the past few months, and it's seriously because of this stuff. Like, I've been using this since, I want to say damn near the beginning of December. But yeah, and again, I just want to make it clear that I just got a facial a couple days ago. So like, all these little marks right here, it's not acne, it's literally extractions. Like, all of this is extractions. I love BioClarity. I know you guys are gonna love BioClarity too. Again, thank you BioClarity for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching today's video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye guys.